I've just heard some absolutely incredible news, and that is that 2016 makeup is coming back around. I'm not completely sure what makeup I'm doing today, but I found my Morphe 39A palette that I definitely used back then, and she's still surviving, so let's use her. I found this photo behind me from 2016. Look at those eyebrows. They are sharp and on point. Let's recreate them. Hey Google, play a 2016 music playlist.
Spotify playlist called Top Hits of 2016.
I'm thinking this is looking great, so let's do this. I can't believe the first song on was Starboy. That takes me so far back. But until we hear One Dance, it's not official. What the hell? I literally said that, and then as I was doing my eyebrows, One Dance came on. I'm taking my whitest concealer and I'm gonna carve out these brows on a flat brush, and I mean carve, because that's how we would have done it. Obviously gotta carve out the top as well. I think I'm gonna do a cut crease, obviously, and I think I'm gonna do like an orangey gold one, because that was a classic for me back in 2016. I'm taking an orange and I'm genuinely just packing it all on, and then I'm gonna diffuse it with a lighter shade, as I would have done in the past. Just blending that all out, and Rihanna Needed Me came on. My jam. Just cutting that crease out with a cotton bud and Bryson Tiller Don't. Actually take me back to 2016 music right now. I'm just doing the concealer where I've carved out. What's sending me right now is that I would do this before school at 7 AM just to wake up and do a cut crease and a makeup look. That's just hilarious to me. I'm going to be using my Peaches and Cream Gatsby pigment. Absolute NYX classic. Are you ready? Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Went back in and added some more depth, but this is looking so sick. Now I'm just going to do a really strong black wing liner. Yeah, I wasn't joking. Let me do the other eye and come back. Don't get me wrong, I love a half lash, but I have missed a full fluffy lash. Are you kidding me? So beautiful. Eyes are done. I'm going to do a full coverage base and come back. I unfortunately for this one I'm going to do no blush, because we're going to have to keep it real, and in 2016 I don't even think blush existed, because I don't remember using it ever or seeing it ever. Okay, this makeup is having me in a chokehold right now. Go for a highlight in Rodeo Drive. If you know, you know. Mine looks like this because it is genuinely from maybe 2017. Okay, let's add those finishing touches. I'm going to pop it in the inner corner, because classic. Yeah. Brow bone. Oh my god, look at that. This is just 2016 vibes everywhere right now. Okay, we're gonna have to do nose and the bridge. I've not done this in the longest time. I'm living. I tell you, 2016 me would be so happy with myself right now. 2016 makeup can come back any day of the week, because this is stunning. Thanks for watching. Bye.